Today we compare DJI Pocket 4 Pro versus Insta360 Luna Ultra. Price, sensor, specs, camera quality, and which one is the better choice for creators in 2026? Let's start with the DJI Pocket 4 Pro. The DJI Pocket 4 Pro is finally here, and it's not just another small upgrade. DJI has taken the Pocket series in a completely different direction. What was once a compact vlogging camera now feels much closer to a miniature cinema camera. With a new dual camera system, a larger sensor, D-Log 2 color profile, and an impressive claimed 17-stop dynamic range, the Pocket 4 Pro aims to deliver professional-level imaging in a pocket-sized body. Starting with the unboxing experience, the standard edition comes with a black carrying case that holds all the accessories. While the case looks clean and compact, its soft material doesn't provide the same confidence as the sturdier case that came with the Pocket 3. Inside the box, DJI includes a wrist strap, a threaded extension handle, a Type-C cable, and a folding fill light. The fill light is one of the most useful accessories in the package. It can be adjusted to different angles, extended slightly, and allows brightness and color temperature adjustments, making it useful for vlogging, portraits, and product shots. The biggest highlight is, of course, the Pocket 4 Pro itself. The camera feels solid in hand with a premium texture similar to the standard Pocket 4. The updated joystick design is different, but DJI has maintained compatibility with many Pocket 3 accessories, which is great news for existing users. For the first time in the Pocket series, DJI introduces a dual camera setup. The camera features a 1x main lens and a dedicated 3x optical telephoto lens. This addition dramatically expands creative possibilities. The device includes 103 GB of built-in storage and also supports micro SD cards through a dedicated card slot. The real upgrade comes from the imaging system. DJI claims the upgraded 1-inch sensor delivers up to 17 stops of dynamic range, compared to 14 stops on the standard Pocket 4. That is a massive jump on paper. Combined with the new D-Log 2 color profile, creators get significantly more flexibility when color grading footage. The camera can also shoot 4K slow motion at up to 240 frames per second, giving filmmakers more creative options for cinematic sequences. Looking at sample images and videos, the Pocket 4 Pro produces remarkably balanced results. Bright highlights and deep shadows retain impressive detail, reducing the need for extensive post-processing. DJI's implementation of D-Log 2 offers a professional color curve that provides plenty of room for adjustments while remaining compatible with professional editing workflows. To test these claims, the Pocket 4 Pro was compared against much larger cinema cameras, including the Canon EOS C80 and Sony FX3. During dynamic range testing, all cameras were pushed to their limits using difficult lighting conditions. Surprisingly, the Pocket 4 Pro held highlight detail exceptionally well. In scenes containing bright flames and high-contrast environments, DJI's camera maintained information where the larger cinema cameras began clipping. While this doesn't mean the Pocket 4 Pro outperforms the FX3 or C80 overall, it does show that DJI's dynamic range claims are not just marketing hype. The second major feature is the new 3x telephoto lens. For many creators, this lens completely changes how the Pocket camera can be used. Previously, vloggers often relied on smartphones for zoomed-in shots because the Pocket cameras lacked a dedicated telephoto option. Now, the 3x optical lens fills that gap perfectly. Portrait photography benefits the most. The telephoto focal length naturally compresses backgrounds and creates more flattering facial proportions. Instead of standing extremely close to subjects and introducing distortion, creators can maintain a comfortable distance while capturing more professional-looking portraits. The camera also includes face priority processing, skin tone optimization, beautification features, and filters that enhance appearance without creating an artificial look. Beyond portraits, the telephoto lens is useful for everyday shooting. Whether capturing ocean waves from a distance, filming food, recording small animals, or creating cinematic travel footage, the added reach gives creators much more flexibility. Daytime image quality from the telephoto lens is excellent, maintaining strong detail in both highlights and shadows. However, the lens does have limitations. In low-light conditions, image noise becomes more noticeable due to the smaller amount of light reaching the sensor. Nighttime performance is still usable, but it doesn't match the impressive daytime results. Another standout feature is live photos. Combined with the telephoto lens, live photos become especially useful for product photography and social media content. The resulting images feel more dynamic, vibrant, and engaging compared to traditional still photos. Of course, these upgrades come with compromises. The addition of the telephoto lens makes the camera slightly top-heavy, often requiring a handle for better balance. Battery life is also reduced compared to simpler designs because the stabilization system must work harder to compensate for telephoto movement. Overall, the DJI Pocket 4 Pro feels like the most ambitious pocket camera ever released. The dual camera setup, professional D-Log2 workflow, 17-stop dynamic range, and dedicated telephoto lens transform it from a simple vlogging tool into a genuine creative filmmaking device. While portability and battery life take a small hit, the gains in image quality and creative flexibility make the Pocket 4 Pro one of the most exciting compact cameras DJI has ever built. Let's take a look on Insta360 Luna Ultra. First thing you notice when opening the Insta360 Luna Ultra Creator Bundle is how premium everything feels. The package comes neatly organized inside a stylish black carrying case designed specifically to store the camera and accessories securely. Everything has its place, making it easy to carry the entire setup while traveling. Inside the box, you get the Insta360 Luna Ultra itself, along with a USB-C charging cable, 2 compact wireless microphone transmitters, a wind muff for outdoor audio recording, and a protective accessory case. The case isn't just for protection either. It features dedicated magnetic storage slots for memory cards and lens filters, which is a small detail that makes a surprisingly big difference when you're on the move. The camera immediately stands out because of its unique design. Unlike traditional gimbal cameras, the Luna Ultra features a detachable 2-inch OLED touchscreen. This isn't just a flip screen or a rotating display, it physically separates from the camera body and becomes a fully functional wireless remote monitor. This simple feature changes the entire shooting experience. For years, solo creators have struggled with framing shots correctly. You set up the camera, walk into position, pose, then walk back to check if everything looks right. Most of the time, it doesn't. Then you repeat the process over and over again. With the Luna Ultra, that problem disappears. You can place the camera wherever you want, detach the screen, hold it in your hand, and see exactly what the camera sees in real time. Instead of guessing whether you're in frame, you know instantly. Instead of hoping the shot looks good, you can adjust it immediately. This alone makes solo content creation dramatically easier. The Luna Ultra also delivers serious camera hardware underneath its compact body. It features dual Leica Summicron optics, bringing professional-grade imaging to a device small enough to fit in your pocket. The primary camera uses a large 1-inch 50-megapixel sensor paired with a bright f1.8 aperture. This combination allows the camera to capture significantly more light, resulting in cleaner footage, improved low-light performance, and natural background separation that gives videos a cinematic appearance. Alongside the main camera is a dedicated 120mm telephoto lens. This isn't a digital zoom trick, it's actual optical zoom hardware built directly into the camera. The system provides 3.9 times optical zoom, extends up to 6 times lossless zoom through sensor cropping, and reaches a maximum 12 times hybrid zoom range. This gives creators much more flexibility when filming subjects at a distance. Whether you're recording concerts, sporting events, wildlife, or city scenes while traveling, the zoom capabilities allow you to get closer without sacrificing image quality. Image quality receives another major boost through the introduction of 10-bit log recording. This is the first Insta360 device to support a professional 10-bit log color profile. For most users, that means significantly more flexibility during color grading. Shadows retain more information, highlights preserve additional detail, and colors can be adjusted without quickly falling apart. Combined with Leica color science and support for up to 14 stops of dynamic range, the Luna Ultra is capable of producing footage that looks far more expensive than its size suggests. One feature that becomes surprisingly useful is the detachable screen's built-in microphone. Normally, if you place a camera several meters away from yourself, audio quality drops dramatically. Most creators solve this by purchasing separate wireless microphone systems, which add cost and complexity. The Luna Ultra takes a different approach. The detachable screen itself functions as a wireless microphone. Since you're already holding the screen while monitoring your shot, it naturally stays close to your mouth. This allows the camera to capture clear voice recordings even when the camera body is positioned far away. For solo vloggers, this feels almost magical. You can set the camera up across the room, walk into frame, monitor your composition, and record quality audio simultaneously using just one device. The included wireless microphones make the system even more versatile. They pair quickly and provide reliable audio capture for interviews, travel content, presentations, and professional video projects. The result is a setup that often eliminates the need for multiple accessories. Another area where the Luna Ultra shines is event coverage. Imagine attending a car show. Traditionally, you might carry a mirrorless camera, a heavy stabilizer, spare batteries, microphones, and a bag full of accessories. After a few hours, your arms hurt, your shoulders ache, and the experience becomes exhausting. With the Luna Ultra, everything becomes simpler. You can comfortably sit inside a vehicle, monitor the shot remotely through the detachable display, and smoothly control camera movement without physically standing beside the camera. What once required multiple pieces of equipment can now be accomplished using a single compact device. Travel creators may appreciate this even more. The ability to monitor shots remotely means no more rushing back and forth to adjust framing. You can simply place the camera, walk into position, and create content confidently. The detachable screen supports both portrait and landscape shooting orientations, making it equally useful for YouTube videos, TikTok content, Instagram Reels, and short-form social media projects. The camera can also record up to 8K resolution, providing plenty of detail for future-proof content creation. One of the most fascinating innovations is Insta360's new head tracking mode. At first, it sounds almost too futuristic. The concept is simple. Wherever your eyes look, the camera follows. Using a lightweight wearable accessory, the Luna Ultra tracks your head movement and automatically adjusts camera direction accordingly. Instead of manually controlling camera movements, your natural viewing direction becomes the control mechanism. This creates footage that feels smoother and more natural than traditional handheld shooting. When combined with the large 1-inch sensor and bright aperture, nighttime footage appears cleaner and more usable than many competing compact cameras. So, who is the winner? Based on the features showcased, the DJI Pocket 4 Pro takes the crown. The combination of a dual camera system, dedicated 3x telephoto lens, impressive 17-stop dynamic range, D-Log 2 professional color profile, and strong portrait capabilities pushes it beyond a typical pocket camera. It isn't perfect, with some compromises in battery life and portability, but the overall creative flexibility and image quality make the Pocket 4 Pro the clear winner for creators in 2026.